Hey guys, so we are starting off this section of Agriscience. This section of Agriscience is more going to deal with horticulture, so that's the study of plants and taking care of plants. So we're going to start it off with careers in horticulture. So you may or may not be interested in this, having a career in horticulture, or maybe after this lesson or this unit, it may change your mind. So some common things that we think about when we think of a career in horticulture. Maybe you visited a nursery, where they grow plants, not a baby nursery, or a home improvement store in the spring or the summer, and you've seen all the plants lined up in rows, house plants, everything. So those all come from horticulturalists, and there's from small scale stages to very large scale stages. When I used to teach at brick and mortar, um, I used to buy all of my little plant seedlings for our greenhouse sale from this place in Canada that actually has hundreds of greenhouses, and that's what they do is they grow plants to be a little seedling, so where they're just emerging, and they sell those to other greenhouses to get started. And then there's people that buy them from other greenhouses, and they grow them to another level, and they sell them to other retail shops. So there's lots of different levels you could do. And so we'll talk about some of the different careers. So plant growth development, like I was saying, that could be owning a nursery, working at a nursery, um, taking care of those plants, moving them um, into different containers, fertilizing, feeding them, monitoring them. That could be garden landscape design. Okay, that's in horticulture. And that doesn't have to just be at homes. You may notice, if you live in a city and they're putting in new roads, they're actually putting landscape design in the medians now and around it to make it look nice. Irrigation, anything to do with water, sprinkler systems, pest control, dealing with harmful pests that hurt our horticulture species. This all has to do with horticulture. Running a business, a lot of horticulturalists have their own business. They work for themselves, um, and they work closely with customers and employees. You could work in a lab. You could be a scientist studying soil. You could be a soil scientist, or you could study plants, conducting experiments, determining medicinal uses for plants. There's all sorts of things. So that's just a few of the different careers in horticulture. I'm going to post another video on here that talks about some more.